family, welcome back in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo cooking show. Today we're going to show you can make yourself a nice, lovely, one of the best ever fried rice at home. Roughly teaspoon and a half of vegetable oil in a fried pan, medium size heat, good to go. And also some white onion and spring onion, very good to go. Give it this a quick small stir in the frying pan, just like that. And also a pinch of coarse pepper. A little more stir. 3 medium-sized eggs with roughly 3 tablespoons of milk. Give it a stir. Nice and lovely. So as I can see, how the egg finish off now. That's how you want your egg to look. Really fresh and nice. Second thing, we're gonna put roughly a cup of rice, cup and a half of rice. The best rice to use is overnight rice. And I'm using some good basmati rice, guys. This is just some egg fried rice. Nice and lovely. So as you can see, exactly where we are about with this lovely egg fried rice. Looking lovely and nice. Really nice and lovely. So now this is finished. And we're just gonna share it out, alright? So enjoy the recipe and subscribe to the YouTube channel. As you can see, lovely and nice, guys. And you can have this with just on its own or anything you like. So enjoy the recipe, subscribe to the channel and leave your comments. And this is just Chef Ricardo egg fried rice. Very easy recipe. As you can see, the rice fresh and the egg fresh inside of it with the spring onion and just looking fresh and nice. So that's the best way or you can make yourself some nice, lovely egg fried rice at home. Enjoy the recipe and see you next time. Bye bye.